Hello, I'm going to show you how to make these cute flower key rings. They're really quick and easy to make, and they make a really good present. I have got a size 4 yarn for this and 3.5mm crochet hook, and you start with making a slip knot and chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you go back to your first chain, make a slip stitch there to make it like into a little circle, chain 1, and then we'll be making 13 single crochet stitches into this circle. So if you making your stitches into the circle, also you could crochet over this end tail, because then you don't have to sew it in afterwards, you can just cut it. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Then you made your 13. This end tail is now securely in place, so we can just snip it off. Slip stitch into the first stitch to finish this round, and then the next round you'll be slip stitching into next stitch, then chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then slip stitch into the next stitch again. So I'll show you this again. Slip stitch into next stitch, chain 10, and then slip stitch into the next stitch again, and then you'll repeat this all the way around. You'll be making 6 loops. Once you've done your 6 loops around, slip stitch into the next one, and then chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then to attach your key ring, you can just feed it through, or feed the flower through the ring, and then you'll skip in the first stitch from your hook, first chain from your hook, and going into the second one, and slip stitch all the way back towards the center of the flower. You can sew the keyring on afterwards if you want. You don't have to do it this way. You can just do the 6 slip stitches back towards the flower, and then afterwards you just sew the keyring to the flower. So once you've done that, you go and slip stitch back into the same stitch again, just to sort of anchor it all down. So we'll be working straight into this chain loop. You don't have to go into the chains, just inside the loop, and you make 6 single crochet stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then then again 6 single crochet stitches to the opposite side. You do that all the way around, so you do go into the next loop. Single crochet 6, chain 3, and then single crochet 6 again. 3, 4, 5 and 6, and you will repeat this all the way around. When you get to the end and you've done all 6 petals, just slip stitch right at the base of the chain you made earlier with your keyring, just to finish off, and fasten off. And all you have left to do now is sew in this one end, and you have made your little flower keyring.